Today I'm going through my weekly cleaning routine checklist. I love this list because it lets you get your home and life set up for the rest of the week, because there's meal planning, cleaning, laundry, and some self-care, so you will feel super motivated and accomplished and ready to take on your life after going through this list. I'll also be sharing cleaning hacks as we go through the list today too, so I hope that you join me today. Clean with me, prep with me, and let's get your home and life in order so that you have the best day and week ever. I actually have this weekly checklist and weekly meal planning list available for free so that you can print it yourself. Just sign up for the newsletter on my blog, bitsofbri.com. I know I'm posting this for Motivation Mondays video, but this list can be done any day of the week that you would like. It's a great thing to do as a reset, just to have a fresh start. And I wanted to share, I like to do this list on Sundays. For me, it helps me start off my Monday with a clean home, stocked fridge, and a good night's rest on some clean sheets after some self-care. But truly, you can pick any day of the week for this cleaning routine. I'm going to get started today changing all of the bed sheets and washing the dirty sheets so that those can be in the washer and dryer while I tackle the other items on my weekly cleaning routine list. First cleaning hack to share with you to keep your sheets smelling super fresh in between washes is I love this Caldrea linen spray. It's in the Pear Blossom Agave. I spray this over my bedding and sheets and it leaves them smelling so wonderful. Every day when I make the bed in between sheet washings, I spray this and it keeps them smelling so fresh and clean. And another quick cleaning hack for the kids, I layer a waterproof mattress pad, then sheets, then a second waterproof mattress pad, then another set of sheets, and it makes it so much easier to strip off the sheets if there's a middle of the night accident or if someone gets sick. Which unfortunately, that's been real in our house lately. I did an entire flu season cleaning motivation video in case you're interested. Then I had some laundry to fold and put away in my kiddos' rooms, which is perfect so that I can tackle another item on my cleaning routine list. I check the weather and then plan their outfits for the week ahead. And another hack, I took these chalkboard signs that I got from the craft store, but they also have them on Amazon, and I'll have them linked on my Amazon store if you're interested. But I write the days of the week on them, and then I hang them over the clothes for that day. And it makes it really simple, so I don't have to have separate bins or baskets or hanging organizers, but I can just put the clothes right in the closet where my kiddos can reach them, and that way I know in the busy morning rush what everyone is wearing for that day. And before we clean out my fridge and organize my pantry, I'm so excited because today's video is a collab with Amanda. Her channel is This Crazy Life. She's the sweetest mama to 3 boys, Luke, Liam, and Noah. She lives in Utah and she does cleaning, organizing, makeovers, and motherhood videos. I know you will love her channel, and she's going to be sharing cleaning hacks and her evening cleaning routine on her channel today. So you get extra cleaning motivation after this video. So please go over to her channel and subscribe, comment on her video, and please let Amanda know that I sent you. Just shower her with lots of love. And she's going to be doing the same trick or treat giveaway that I do over here for Vlogtober on her video today. So you get an extra chance to enter. So make sure you go and do that. And if Amanda sent you, hey, I'm so glad you're here. I'm a mom of 2 kiddos, Landon and Presley, and we live in Ohio. And I would love for you to check out some of my other videos on my channel after this one. I make really similar videos to Amanda. Mommy vlogs, clean with me's, decorate with me's, and I cannot wait for some Thanksgiving and Christmas decor videos coming up soon. But I love making videos that give you motivation, help you feel accomplished in tackling your to-do list, and make sure that you don't feel alone through motherhood. So please be sure, say hello in the comments if you're new, and please subscribe while you watch. I just love having my fridge and pantry cleaned up and straightened before I do my meal planning, so I can do a quick inventory on whatever I might need or whatever I have on hand already for meal planning. And another hack for you, I hang a dry erase board in our pantry. This way my husband and I can quickly write down anything we're running low on or that we're out of, so that we have it here for my next grocery shop. And on this day, I had loads of dishes, literally, but I wanted to put them all away and load up the dishes that were waiting in the sink to be washed. And mom hack, I put my kids' plates and cups and utensils in these organizing bins. Everything you see here, including their dinnerware, I got all of it at Target, but I put them in this roll-out drawer in a lower cabinet, which makes it so easy for them to help set the table and get what they need for meals. And just so that I have a fresh and clean sink for the week, this is probably my favorite thing to clean, but it needs it all of the time. I use dish soap and baking soda, and I scrub down the sink, and then once it's rinsed completely, I wipe the basin out with vinegar, and it leaves the sink sparkling clean. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be. Now I'm going to put those sheets I washed into the dryer, and another hack for you to speed up your drying time and just makes it more energy efficient, these wool dryer balls. I got them from Grove Collaborative, which I'll have the link down below if you would like to try ordering your cleaning supplies from Grove. I absolutely love it and could not recommend it to you more. You will get a free Mrs. Meyer's gift set with any $20 order, and all of your cleaning supplies get delivered right to your door, free shipping. So definitely use that link if you'd like to give Grove a try for your next cleaning supply order. And I just needed to do a tidy up of the kitchen after we had lunch on this day. So I'm wiping down the table and counters, emptying the trash bins, and then I checked where I was on my list, and I needed to do a quick wipe down of my appliances. I really don't do this every single day, and it's just a small, quick task that makes me feel like my kitchen is sparkling clean and that I've accomplished something in a quick amount of time. So I'm wiping everything down with vinegar and a paper towel so that my stainless steel appliances don't look streaky. And this was nap time, so it was the perfect time to sit down and plan out my schedule for the week. This was also when I was doing my meal prep for the week, using my weekly meal planning printable, just to figure out what I needed to order from the grocery store. And I love using Pinterest to get ideas for recipes, especially since I recently got an Instant Pot. I feel like I say Instapot, Instant Pot. I don't know which way you're actually supposed to say it, but I'm always looking for Instant Pot recipes these days, and I usually try to make them my own because of the picky toddlers and a picky husband. So if you want to check out my blog, I've posted a few of the recipes I've tweaked on there, along with my fall baking recipes, just in case you're looking to try something new. So when I'm sitting down, this is also the time I do my grocery shopping because I shop online and I either have it delivered to our house or I do the pickup where they put everything in the car for you. Grocery shopping online seriously is amazing. It saved me so much time. I would highly recommend it if your grocery store offers that. So I get to cross a lot off my list when I sit and plan here, which is nice because it makes me feel accomplished and like I know everything that I have to do and tackle for the week ahead.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go.
And once nap time was over, I tried to set Presley up with some watercolor paints so I could keep tackling my to-do list and vacuum and mop the floors, but that only lasts for so long. So we decided to make something special for you and include it in today's video.
I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor, call me anytime. always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're out of time. And you, I got you.
Alright, almost done. Just when the kids go to bed, I'll kind of get everything ready and do a little self-care bubble bath. Okay, and here's my new weekly meal plan, printable. Again, I'm thinking chili pot roast, the chicken gnocchi soup, takeaway Wednesday. Yes, babe? Help you with what, honey? Oh, do you want to get the broom? Okay, 1 second. We'll do takeaway Wednesday just because it's like middle of the week and it just always feels nice on Wednesday to do that. And then spaghetti squash and meatballs Thursday and bacon cheddar dip Friday because we're gonna be having company over.
I lose my breath whenever I see you.
Okay.
You stole my heart. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added color.
Yeah, you're cleaning it up good, honey.
Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the other.
Mommy here. We interrupt this episode of cleaning routine for what? Fall baking. Got a little baking assistant. All right, can you pour that into the bowl, please? Keep going, the whole thing. Till it's empty. Very good. Thank you.
And we can mix it up.
We are. We got to add in the other ingredients, though.
I would mix that for them. You can mix it up.
Yeah, you can mix it up first. This is hot, so I want you just to hold my hand and do it, okay? I'm gonna pour in the water. We are making the brownies just like however the box of brownie directions tell you. Pour that in, please. Thank you. Okay, so pour those 2 eggs in. Very good. Put it on, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it too loud? So we've got 3 ounces of cream cheese. You want to put it in the bowl? And then we've got half a cup of canned pumpkin. You want to help put that in?
Yeah.
You put it in there. And 1 egg. Okay, yeah, so now we need 3 tablespoons sugar. You want to put this first one in? 1. Count with me. 2. 3. Very good. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. You want to add it in? Okay, you do it. Whoop. It's okay. No worries. And a 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg. You want to add that? And a 1/4 teaspoon of the pumpkin pie spice. We're gonna make sure nobody eats the egg. Let me get the whisk here. I'm gonna get down and whip with you. Okay, you ready to stir it?
Yeah.
We're gonna whisk together. This is the pumpkin cream filling. This is gonna be the pumpkin swirl.
Yeah.
You smell it? Smell it. Doesn't it smell yummy?
Yeah.
It smells like fall.
Yeah.
Stir it up, girl.
Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better.
That was so good.
You're so funny. Okay, you ready to do this?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna spray the brownie pan real good. And then I'm gonna take half of this brownie mix, pour it in. You gonna help me?
Yeah.
You gotta get half of it in there. Now we're gonna put this in there. You ready? And I'm gonna get the rest of this brownie mix. Oh, that's okay. I'll clean it up. Just wait a second. Okay. Here, you wanna help me?
Yeah.
Hold mommy's hand. And we're gonna swirl the pumpkin brownie around. Doesn't that look good?
I'm ready to put it in the oven.
Yeah, we're gonna put it in the oven. See, I wanted to show everybody how it's all swirled. Those look good, Presley. You're a good baker.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to stay back, okay? Because it's gonna be very hot.
Okay.
Only mommies can do this. But we're gonna stay back, okay? Do you feel how hot that is?
Yeah.
See, only mommy can do it because it's very, very hot, okay? They're gonna be so good. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Me too.
Little mommy.
I love you.
You're little mommy.
I'm a little mommy and the brownies are looking so good. These smell so freaking amazing. And I have the full recipe and directions for these pumpkin swirl brownies on my blog, so make sure you check it out, bitsofbriblog.com. Now it's time for the kids to go to bed, so I will get Landon's lunch packed and set out their book bags and shoes for in the morning.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do.
And then it is time for my bubble bath, and I got some different face masks and a belly and booty mask that I thought just looked interesting to alter the other day. I didn't try them yet, so I'll let you know once I actually do. But I just like at the end of a long day of working hard, ending it with some self-care.
I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you.
But I really enjoyed sharing my weekly cleaning with you today. I hope that it helps you. Don't forget you can get the free printables by signing up for my newsletter on the blog, and I will send them to you. And don't forget, check out Amanda from This Crazy Life. Show her lots of love today. And I'm just so glad you're here. I hope that you subscribe and check out some of my other videos while you're on YouTube today if you're new. And I will see you in my next vlog on Wednesday. Bye, loves.